Hi, this is Jeff from Aqua Products, and today we'll be unboxing the MRT 3500. The MRT 3500 is an awesome cleaner. Cleans above ground and in-ground pool environments. Top loading filter baskets, 2-year full warranty, and it'll clean your pool floor, cove, and your walls. Also comes with a free caddy, which is great for storing it in the off-season times, as well as transporting it around your pool after you're done using it. So with that being said, one of the first things you're going to find upon opening this box is the top portion of your caddy. So we're going to set this aside. Next, we're going to pull out the actual cleaner. So the MRT 3500 comes with a 60-foot cable with our patented Aquabot swivel. So this helps prevent cable tangling. Next, we're going to pull out the power supply, which is very simple on and off, durable. And we have the manual, warranty registration card, and a float kit. The registration card is very easy. You can go to aquabot.com, fill it out. It should take you about 5 minutes, save a couple trees. Why not? Flotation kit is just in case you feel that the product is climbing the wall, but might not be reaching its potential, or you see that might have trouble climbing the wall. So we're not saying that you're going to expect this or that this should happen, but if it does, we got you covered. And if we go to the bottom of the box, we've made sure to include the caddy inside the box. So there's no separate packaging, it's in there. Let's take a look at the cleaner a little bit more close and kind of go through some of these features. So the first thing you'll see is that this cleaner has top loading filter baskets. You can see inside the cleaner filter, so this way you know if the cleaner's filter needs to be changed. You got an ergonomic handle, so it makes it easy to put the cleaner in the pool, take the cleaner out. These come standard with the PVA wheels, so if you've got tile, these wheels help stick to the tile very nicely. Under here is a rotating scrubbing brush to help loosen up dirt and debris that usually gets trapped in porous surfaces. So if you got gunite, pebble tech, concrete, stuff like that. This feature right here is an easy water exit feature. So you'll notice that the cleaner, when you pull it out, might have some weight to it. Just pull it up to the water line on the top of the pool and lets the water right out. Makes it a little bit lighter. Great feature. And that's the MRT 3500.